Mrs. Claus here. As you can see, I'm in the middle of a Eastern snap blown bomb. Hurricanal. I'm exhausted. What is that? Snap cyclone haiku. I'm trapped. I'm not trapped. Mr. Claus said we have to evacuate. I ran. And as I see him go off in his sleigh, he throws this down and says, "Oh, do me a favor. Do a table haul for me, Mrs. Claus." I said, "There's a blizzard, dear sweetheart." So I've been stuck in the blizzard. I don't know how long. It feels like forever. I haven't eaten much. Maybe there'll be some food in here. I don't know, but I am going to try to survive this. And this is in honor of someone who works through a blizzard besides my dear sweet Santa Claus. And it's Josie's Cody Cottage. She's gonna get something special for Christmas this year. And it's gonna be a big package from Santa. Anyway, come on back. Who knows what's gonna happen? Who knows what's in here? Who knows what's gonna happen to me? Will I survive? Will I not survive? Don't know. So come on back before I get buried in the snow. Okay, welcome to Smile Until It Hurts, everybody. I am Mrs. Claus, stuck in the middle of I was going to say a Temu storm, but that's not true. I'm in the middle of a storm. I don't know if I'm going to survive, but I'm going to get through some of these products for you, is what I'm going to try to do. It's not going to be easy. As you see, I ran out the castle, the toy factory, whatever you want to call it. First of all, with open-toed shoes. Never wear open-toed shoes. They're in a blizzard! And then I accidentally put these. Oh, did you look at my dress? Now, whoever looked at my dress is going to go on the naughty list. These are my, I don't know what that's called. You know, when you do that and you boot scoot and you line dance. Sometimes I do lines. Like I used to in the 90s. All right, let's get started. Let's see what we got. I'm just gonna pour this bag out here so I can just grab things. I know it's gonna get wet in the snow, but at this point, who cares? Oh, here's something that looks like I can use. I know the East Coast got slammed. Speaking of slammed, I just got a chill. A hairy baseball cap with the New York symbol on it. There you go. What is that eerie light? It almost gives me like a spooky vibe. Don't love it. How do you like the hat though? Maybe we should bring this up like this. Look, like the sun is rising. All right. Baseball cap. Perfect for a no Thanksgiving storm. I told you I haven't, what is this? Oh, that's me. I didn't know what that was. It's me. I was able to catch a rabbit. It turned out to be a female rabbit. I am going to roast her tonight if Mr. Claus doesn't come and get me. Now, have I eaten rabbits before? No. You don't know what I've had to do in this town to survive. All right, now everybody needs this. This is for when you go into the gym or when you're running or something like that. This is to put your credit cards, your money, whatever you have that you want to have with you. Like I have a couple of things with me here that I needed. You put this around your arm. I don't know which way it's supposed to go, up, down, or around. You put it on your arm, and then you have your stuff right here with you. They have all different colors and styles. By the way, this is a Temu haul. Welcome if you're new. My name is Mrs. Claus, and if you looked up my dress, you're lucky. If you're new, subscribe, please. These poor guys, they're just falling behind in the race. And that's why I'm here, to save them. In the storm, out of the storm. Subscribe, hype them, slap them, rub them down, oh no. Join their membership. These guys are so sweet. And they give and give. Put a thumbs up. Speaking of thumbs up, I remember once in the 90s. Ooh. It was that chill again. Clean, clean, clean. That's what Santa says to me. Clean, clean, clean. So I gotta clean the house, clean the house, clean, 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 clean. He likes a clean chimney, if you know what I'm saying. These are spongy on one side, and you know, like, oh, like scratchy. Like if you got a good scratch to scratch, you just rub that in there. You Oh, it kind of matches my shoes. Well, the shoes on this side anyway. Hold on. Don't look at my dress. It kind of matches my shoes. You see that? Yeah. Don't look at my dress. People. You people are disgusting. Now, we used to have a dog here. She was a hairless Chinese crested. She loved to be in the North Pole. She might be running around out in this storm here. I don't know. But if I do find her, and if I'm not too hungry and I don't eat her, maybe we could put her in this. Maybe we could put her in this outfit here. What do you think? That's perfect for this weather here, isn't it? Look, you see. Jingle bell, jingle bells. Batman smells. Robin laid an egg. The Batmobile ran away. I don't know why. It's. How was everybody's Valentine's Day? We got other holidays coming up. We got St. Patrick's Day and Easter coming. This is the time for Mrs. Claus to take a break. By the way, I did grab one of our workers just in case I get hungry. I'm going to put him on this, you know, on that spigot thing. When you get hungry, you got to do what you got to do. You know, you got to do what you got to do. Where is that? Now, I saw Falling It with Mima. She's usually on the naughty list. But that's because she likes to be spanked. So we keep her on the naughty list. Because she likes it. Have I been naughty before? Never. Now, I saw her hold one of these. I don't know what color it was. But I remember Santa had thrown a couple for me. Now, I think she had one. I got four. Why I got four? Because I'm special, damn it. I am Mrs. freaking Claus. And I don't have much, obviously, around me here. If things get really bad, I'm going to eat the husband of the one that I'm going to eat earlier. So she hauled these with the bows. They're little wallets. Now, there's different kinds. This one has for the credit cards and your ID here. This one is the same color, but this one has the 6 here, and then the zipper in the middle here. And then we have the black one with the white bows zipper. Now that one's a little different because it's got, so these 3 are all actually different. And then we have the white one that's just like this black one here. So she only got one because she was naughty. She's a dirty girl. Very, very dirty. Very dirty. Now, speaking of hot, here we have, I'm getting hungry. Oh, I'm getting very hungry here. I don't know how much longer I can last in this. Maybe I should just have a snack. Maybe I'll just have one of the children of the workers. I don't know. I just want like a little something. Well, here is a 2-pack. Not Tupac Shakur. 2-pack of cooling towels. We got one in gray and one in blue. I've had many of these in the past because, you know, living here in the North Pole is freezing and you need to be cooled down. These have a snap so that you can roll it up and then snap it closed. So you can roll it up and snap it closed. That's the first time I have seen that on these. And so here is, oh, okay. I thought these were towels. But these apparently go over your head. They're a cooling, and then that's why the snap is there. That makes sense now. This is for the cooling hat, and there's also this part here for your neck to keep your neck cool. And this is great for somebody that's bald. That should be nice and cool for them. So it was a 2-pack for the cooling hood. Speaking of the hood, there was a time in the 90s. Ooh, there's that chill again. Ooh, don't know what that is. Now here's something we need here in the, where am I? Am I in the North Pole? I think I'm in the North Pole. It's a portable fan. Now I have a lot of fans. Oh, how cute is this? It looks like a mini hair dryer. You can use this to, you know, to dry your Christmas garland downstairs there. And my husband can use it on his jingle jingle bells. Now, let's turn her on. Let's see if she's on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's on. She has 100 settings. There's a digital readout right here. She has 100 settings. Right now, she's on 49. Here is where you lower and raise. Let's go all the way to 100. We're at 65, 69. We're at 69 there. And that tells you how much, it's 80, well now it's back to 69, but that is the blow speed. And then it tells you the number right after for a second. 82 is how much battery life you have left. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. And what's good about this is if you have a husband like mine that likes to leave you in the middle of a Norse bomb, tsunami, weather event, is that right there in the center, that, believe it or not, is a compass. So in case you get lost, you do this. Where is it to the North Pole? I follow the N, and I find my husband. Talk about somebody that should get cold. You know, sometimes I get cold at night, and I use this little massager. I put it right up my neck area here. You always want to stick it up in an upward direction, so up. And you press the button here, and it vibrates, and you put your serum on your face, and you push it up, 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 and massage those wrinkles right out. It will relax you. It will go all around your mouth, where your mouth lines are, or smoker's lines are, and you go up, 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 okay? Up, up, up. Always in an upward direction. I gotta eat something. I'm just gonna have a little snack. I found this little bear in a purple dress. So it's barely a snack. I'm having a hard time out here. It's freezing. I hope nobody looked up my dress. What else we got here? Oh, we have a pet shaver. So you could shave your pet. There's so many things that can go wrong here. There are so many things that can go wrong here, guys. So many. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? Is this battery operated? Yes. So this is battery operated. It is for your pet, but you can use it for whatever you want. As you see, it's very narrow in the blade area there, so you can get into those crevices, especially your dog's paws, to get in between the nails. And the best thing that I would find for this is to get around the eyes and the snout to get hair out of their eyes. I would use something like this. You can also use this on your pussycats. I don't think cats really need much of any kind of shaving, but that's always your choice. I'm getting hungry again. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. I did get something from Bad Bunny. I did get something from Bad Bunny. It's Sofrito from Goya. Not sponsored by Goya and not sponsored by Bad Bunny. But I want to thank Bad Bunny and all Puerto Ricans for feeding Mrs. Claus during the Super Bowl. That was an unpaid solicitation of incongregation and stipulation, and hopefully at the end, mastication. And because we love Bad Bunny here, we got a Puerto Rican bunny right here. I kissed this one. I'm going to save this one. I have chosen this one to save for this year's, not to eat during this year's bunny eating contest. So, Bad Bunny will be saved from getting eaten during the bunny eating contest that is held on the 5th of every other month when it's a leap year on Thursday, if Aunt Mary comes and steals the dinner rolls and puts them in her purse. That's the only time we have any kind of bunny eating contest. This is what the cold can do to you. Please make sure you bundle up and stay safe. Now, what else do I have here? What is this? This looks dirty. Oh, that's cool. This is a camera-shaped wireless set of earphones. What a perfect gift for whenever, whatever. You don't have to wait till Christmas to give a gift to somebody. Always give a gift. Always give. Give, give, give. Give, give, give. This one has got a USB. And I had an STD. Wait a minute. No, I went to CCD class. Oh my goodness, my mind, I'm getting mind freeze, brain freeze. No, CCD class. It's a CCD class. If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. Not DVD? I don't even remember what I said, guys. I'm just losing it here with the wind blowing so hard. As you see, the wind is really blowing this hood all around. Left, right, up, and down in this storm. Now, this is the cutest thing since sliced bread. How cute is this? How cute is that little camera? And then there are your earphones there in there. And I don't know, does it do a display maybe? Let me see, let's see. Oh yeah, it does give a display. Hold on, let me get the snow out of my eyes. Yes, there is a display right here in the middle lens. So right there in the middle lens, it'll tell you how much battery life you have. That's pretty neat, if I do say so myself. Now we do have, as you know here, it's magical in the North Pole of John Stamos. We do have unusual animals here. I did catch this. This is the snow Easter bat bunny winged monkey. These we do not eat. These are sacred here. So if we catch one, we let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Don't sup yourself anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Oh, you know what I miss? And when I'm in a storm, something to drink. I'm so parched. I find nothing but bunny rabbits and happiness here. I wish. Wait a minute, I think I see a mirage. Mirage. You know, I went to the North Pole High School with a mirage. Her name was May, and her lesbian name was Raj. So they called her Mirage. I think I see a mirage. Mirage. What? Do you need your thirst quest love? Quest love? Take two, you said? Thank you. Do you need your quench thirst? Are you having a stroke on camera? Do you smell toast and eat pennies? Smell pennies? Well, Pepsi. Pepsi, a wonderful product that does not sponsor this video. So I don't know if this is a mirage or a dream, but I feel like I am getting some sort of something in my stomach. Besides rabbits. I gotta stop watching that Walking Dead. Don't watch that. Everything you eat, you swear has been dead for 3 days and you're just chewing the meat off the bones. Don't watch it. It'll give you bad dreams. Oh. Okay. We have another pair of earphones here. Is this open? This is not open, and I don't think I have some. Do I have something I can open it with? I don't think so. Let me see. Let me see if there's something around here that I could just stick in it. There's not much here, you know, in the snowstorm. But I'm trying to, and Santa doesn't allow me to have nails because he says I scratch his back too much during the highest points of our sexualness, our sexuals. I'm a big scratcher. Scratcher. If I had a scratch-off ticket right now, I'd say I'd give you an ad for scratch-off tickets, but I don't have one. You know why? Because Santa Claus is cheap. He gives everything to everybody else. Let me see if I can open it with just one side open. Oh. That was easy. First of all, what a nice box. What a nice box that is. That's a nice box. Got your instructions and your cord. Who remembers cord from One Life to Live? Do you remember cord from One Life to Live? Isn't that sad about General Hospital Luke? So here, this one has got a display on it as well. I don't know what it displays, but it must display a lot of stuff. There are the earbuds inside there. Now, I don't even know, how does this even turn on? I can tell you how you turn me on. Get me one of those banana dinosaurs to eat for tonight's snack. I don't think there's charge to it, but this whole screen has a display screen on it, and it tells you if you've been naughty or nice, and all that kind of fun stuff. All right, let's do a couple more, and then I gotta go. I gotta start trekking to the star. Not Star Trek. No. Don't get it twisted, sister. Not Twisted Sister. We're not going to take it anymore. No. We actually gave them nothing that year for putting that song out. We gave them no gifts that year. We gave them nothing. What else do we have here? What is this? What is this? Oh, this is nice. This is nice for Santa, for his sleigh. It is one of those key keepers so that you could put your car key in here and you could still see your on off and your roof. Not your roof. You could see something in there. What is that? Your hood. You could turn up your hood. You could put your hood up with this. Yeah. And it has a really, really nice clasp here. Really nice clasp. Very strong. It is in a red burgundy-ish kind of. And then you put your car key in here. You put your car key in here. And then it also has a little dinghy here to hold extra keys, maybe. And then we'll do one more, and I got to go because I need to start moving. Moving. Now, what I really love, because I have a lot of little things around the house. Little things that I don't want to put in a big thing. So I like to put little things and little things, medium things and medium things, and big things in my, sorry, I burped, in my stocking. So I got a bag of little things. Now, I have seen many different types, and I have had my hands on a lot of types. This one is more of a box, a small box. And you will see here, you see that? It's a little box. And so you could put maybe, you know, earrings in here, or your tooth, you know, maybe your, you know, the tooth fairy and I, by the way, not very good friends. I hope she's stuck in the storm. You know what I mean? And so you could put little teeth in here from your kids or your animals. You could put jewelry in here. You could put crafting stuff in here. You could put samples to bring to the doctor here if you want to have somebody's baby. So there's a whole bag of these. I don't know how many's in here. I would say about 40. There's about 40 in here. So I'm going to stick a whole bunch of stuff in there. With that said, I'm done. I'm out of here. I'm freezing. I'm Mrs. Claus. I hope you enjoyed this Temu haul in a blizzard, or whatever this is behind me, or it could be just green. It could absolutely be the case. Either way, we hope you stay warm, safe. Keep your area clean, shoveled, shave it nice shovel it nice and clean. Do it for your husband. When he's at work, do it so he comes home and he can see that's all cleaned up. The snow around the house. All right, again, I'm Mrs. Claus, and this was Smile Until It Hurts. Please subscribe, tell a friend, hype the video, maybe join our membership for $1.99 a month. That helps us out here in the old pole of the north. And please subscribe. If you just wait a second and subscribe, like right now, if you're on your TV, just move over to the subscribe or move over to the thumbs up button. Otherwise, if you don't, the only thing I can think of is that that Santa will put fresh piles of shit in your stocking this year, really. And they will be mine, because it's sad that you won't do that for Mrs. Claus. So Mrs. Claus will send you a Christmas log, that she'll be saving up all year for. Okay, I've got a long walk to wherever I'm going. Wish me luck. I hope I get through this. I hope I can find something else to eat. I do have a couple of rabbits in the ready, but who knows what's going to happen there. All right, everybody. Be safe. Stay happy. And if you're not smiling until it hurts, change something. Change something. You deserve to be happy like me. You deserve to be treated good like me. All right. For now, until next time, bye.